Package will arrive. Stop! Oh my God! I'm waiting for my package to show up. I think I have to go to the door and the package will arrive today. You can track the progress. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? So, if y'all don't know, I had to invest in some money into the products this weekend. I got me a prompter. So then soon, you know, I keep looking over to the side and seeing chat. Instead of here, I'll be looking right here, right at y'all's lovely faces. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna be working on my speech etiquette. Yes. Excuse me. So, everybody right now, what have you been working on in Minecraft? If you've been playing Minecraft, what have you been doing? If you haven't been playing Minecraft, what have you been doing? What you been working on, what you been doing, what you been playing? Hey, robot. Hey, those of you that were in my son's stream yesterday, what'd y'all think of Pizza Tower? That was a cool game, isn't it? Rope, hear that, man? Nice. Solid trading. Nice. Nice. Very cool. The game has lots of addicting sounds and graphics. What, cleaning? Yeah. Yes, it does. Huh. Thank you for that follow. Your name is funny. Thank you for the follow. Thank you so much for the love and support. Only in water.